Well, kill it. Finish it off. Eat it, you dumb cat. No, it's you making the noise. It's your locust. Eat it. Stuff you got in your mouth. Just eat it. Where are you going with it? You taking it to your food dish? He's confused. He's so stupid. Kill it or I'm going to. It's annoying me. Bite down. There you go. Get it.
Can I turn the flash off? Nice.
Well, finish it off. Kill the poor thing. Ah, cats. They're just kill it. Do you enjoy the agony of other living creatures? Kill it. No, it's right there. No, it's not in the bedroom. It's there. That's right. Kill it. Running out of... Just kill the poor thing. I'm gonna kill it. Yes, kill it. The Mighty Hunter. Yes, you. What'd that locust ever do to you? He's living his little locust life. He only lives like once every 7 years. But no, you gotta kill him. You're not even doing that. It's the screams of a dying locust. Why are you looking at the wall? I couldn't realize that some night he's going to kill me in my sleep and just enjoy it. He's going to take hours to do it, too. This round of torture has been brought to you by the domesticated cat.